All right, prepping for a JDE CNC role? Let's break down the core concepts you absolutely have to know. So, this explainer is going to cover the essentials, starting with the biggest question of all: what exactly is CNC? Well, think of it like a universal translator. It lets JDE apps run pretty much anywhere without being rewritten. And this right here, this is CNC's superpower, flexibility. It's built to support all sorts of platforms. Okay, so JD's architecture has three main tiers. Everything starts at the bottom with the data tier. Sitting on top of that is the logic tier. You can think of this as the engine room. And finally, we have the presentation tier. This is what delivers the user interface right to your browser. So every single time you log in, you're in an environment. It just points to your data, logic, and code. And here's why that's so important. Environments keep development, testing, and production completely separate. It's all about safety. Now, a path code is like a signpost. It tells the system exactly which version of the software to use. This is absolutely vital. It basically creates a firewall, managing how code gets from dev to production safely. All right, let's talk OCM. Just think of it as the system's GPS. It knows where everything is, and this dynamic routing is super powerful. You can move jobs around without ever touching the application code itself. So, how do you actually move code changes? Well, that's done through what's called a package build. One of the key decisions is choosing a full package for big changes or just an update for small fixes. It's a really controlled process. This is how you make sure software changes are deployed safely and reliably. You know, the CNC role is always evolving, and today, the AIS server is JDE's gateway to the modern world. This quote really hits the nail on the head. A great CNC is the absolute backbone of the entire system. And that's the key, right? Understanding these fundamentals shows you how this classic system powers our modern world.